Managing money and time can be challenging for many people. But for neurodivergent adults, it can feel especially overwhelming. Executive functioning differences can make planning, organizing, and budgeting difficult but not impossible. With the right tools, these skills can become easier and more manageable. Let's start with time management. Breaking tasks into smaller steps can make a big difference. Using timers, visual schedules, or phone reminders helps keep track of routines and deadlines. Having a daily checklist or a simple planner reduces stress and helps the day feel more structured. And it's okay to take breaks. Pacing yourself keeps your energy balanced. Now let's talk about managing money. Budgeting doesn't have to be complicated. A basic system works well. List your income, your monthly bills, and the amount you want to save, even if it's small. Using banking apps, automatic payments, or spending trackers can help avoid confusion and make money management more predictable. For some neurodivergent adults, impulse spending happens when emotions are high or routines change. A simple strategy is to pause for 10 minutes before buying something and ask, do I really need this today? This small pause can prevent overspending. Money and time skills take practice, and everyone learns at their own pace. What matters is finding tools that work for your brain, not forcing yourself into a system that doesn't fit. With support, routines, and the right strategies, neurodivergent adults can build confidence, gain independence, and manage daily life with less stress and more control.